guys, it's Sidney here, and today I want to show you how I use the microwave method to dry and press flowers super fast. I am using some edible flowers to make some lollipops here, and I was actually really blown away by how many flowers I got growing them myself in my arrow garden. This is a hydroponic garden, and of course I chose edible flowers for my lollipops, but you can do this with any kind of flower. These flowers are pansies, and they're really tiny and cute, so I'm doing a few at a time, but of course if you had a bigger flower, you could just do one at a time, or if you're a little bit nervous. And I just press them between two paper towels. You can even do 2 layers on each side, and then use something really flat on top of them in the microwave that is, of course, microwave safe. I am just microwaving that for 15 seconds at a time, and I notice that until they're ready, they don't really release from the paper towel easily because they're still damp. So I just keep checking it, and I actually flip it every time for 15-second intervals, and then once it is ready, they're going to really easily come off of the paper towel and just slip right off and feel like a paper-like consistency. So that's how I know that they are ready. It can take a really long time to press flowers the traditional way here in Florida because it's so humid, so I think this is a great alternative for a really quick and easy way to press flowers, and I'll definitely be using it again in the future.